Hey y'all, we're back. I just wanted to show you, once I got this wheel apart, that you could see these dark spots here were literally those little voids that we started to see. Never touched the wheel itself with the saw blade. That's why you gotta, patience is a virtue. Just take your time cutting it down. What I did is I took the fiberglass wedge for, loosen up a mold, apart from a mold. When I stuck it in there and tapped it with the dead blow once or twice, and bang, it made a, pow, and it separated about halfway around. I rotated it around and hit it once or twice, and it popped apart. So there was actually a bit of stress on that. I was surprised by that, actually, that it just wanted to jump apart. So there you go. We also took the front side over here and stuck it on an old front hub, because this front side has the valve stem. If we're going to use that rear, to stay off our caliper and all that on a second set of wheels, we wanted to make sure that the valve stem was going to clear any of the spokes of our, so we're good to go there too. We can go a couple different ways. That way we don't have to weld the hole up. Maybe we can find a plug to go in it or something, or maybe we just leave the valve stem on the inside and we get the wheel with the proper outside being the back side. Bada boom, bada bing. So that's it. Just wanted to touch base with you real quick. Let you check it out. We're making progress. The second one will go much quicker now, because we know how far we can go. Literally about 3/16 of an inch. And then start looking for those little voids. All right, guys. Again, tip of the day. Don't forget about the wax. See y'all.